It doesn't run, it waits for your story to begin.
You hear footsteps, but no one is there. The forest is moving closer with every breath.
Strength isn't loud, it stands still. Be the presence. These are the words that define true power in this world.